Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually under the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you. And this is the House of Afnan. House of Afnan almost doesn't need introduction because many of you will know them. They are very quite well known name in the fragrance community. One of the reason is for at least for Afnan not only intense, Supremacy not only intense, that made them a household name. And this one is called Afnan Supremacy in Oud. So it's Eau de Parfum, and is it Eau de Parfum or is it? No, it's Extrait de Parfum. Sorry. So it's Afnan Supremacy in Oud, Extrait de Parfum. So it's much more concentrated, and this one is 100 ml, and it's retails for £75, I think, but you can find it from time to time discounted if you do your research and see how much is in your area, if it's available and things like that. So without further ado, let's do this. But before I do the unboxing, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable or entertaining, you know what to do. Hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, you motivate me to make videos like this in future. Your help, your motivation would take this channel a long way, and I appreciate that very much. Thank you very much for your support, and let's go. So sorry about the noise. Usually with Supremacy line the presentation is top notch, especially for the price. So beautiful. And this is a sleeve, and it comes out, and look at this, gorgeous. So this is the box. It's very heavy. It's a thick combination of plastic and like a wood. Very attention to details is amazing, and it feels and looks luxury basically. For the money, this is unbelievably beautiful. So many of you will know that it's the same presentation as Afnan Supremacy, not only intense, but this one is different color, which is a brown color. Look at that, beautiful. So presentation top notch, no doubt whatsoever. And this is the bottle. Again, heavy bottle, very heavy cap. It's brown, but it starts from the bottom. It starts like a gold, and it goes darker and darker up to brown. And the cap is golden, and it's very heavy metal. It's about half a kilo itself, and attention to detail is amazing. Okay, here we go. Spray it. Very good spray. Beautiful. So how is Afnan Supremacy in Oud, Extrait de Parfum, 100 ml. In, as I said, United Kingdom is quite readily available. You can find it in retail for £75. You can find it discounted different sites, usually around £50 to £60. Here we go. So how is the smell? First impression. Wow, what a beauty. So it says oud. Yes, there is a nice beautiful balanced oud in here. It's very well done. It's quite warm. It's quite ambery as well. So it's a combination of like oud and amber. Definitely spicy. It's quite spicy hints to it. A hint of spice, a tinge of spice. The spiciness again is warm. It's quite warm, spicy. Sweet. Sweetness from 0 to 10 being the sweetest. Right now is about 6 to 7. So it's quite sweet, but it's not overly sweet. I smell something earthy in here. So it's earthy, it's woody, it's resinous, it's spicy, ambery. Definitely the amber is here very deep, and resinous amber is quite dark, resinous deep amber. So you need to like these kind of fragrances to enjoy it, but absolutely done to perfection. This is perfumery in the top notch, especially for the price. If you want a same quality, same perfumery in a big names, you know who are they are, you have to pay 3-4 times this price to get that. So amazing perfumery, very very balanced, very rounded. It's just opened up beautifully, you know, just pure perfume, amazing. It's a bit of smoky undertone to it, bit of dusty undertone to it, bit of a powdery undertone to it as well. But not, at the moment it's not a huge player, these things. They are mainly in the background. So yes, dusty, little bit of powdery, and also smoky. Definitely woody in the base, and the oud is beautiful. You know, it's a very very well done oud. Obviously for this price you don't expect a 100% natural oud, but they done it very well. You know, it's just everything is in unison, in balance, in harmony. Nothing is out of place, nothing is shouting, nothing is less, nothing is more. Everything is done very very well. I smell something like a leathery aspect as well. So the leather is in the background right now, the woods and the leather are in the background, but you can feel it. It's quite, I would say, a little bit on the pungent side, but because it's got a strength, it's Extrait de Parfum, it's very dense, it's very strong, so it's going to be pungent. So you need to like your pungent oud, your pungent leather, your pungent woodiness, spiciness, but overall it's done very very well. Just mesmerizingly beautiful. I wasn't expecting this. I knew that Afnan do very well perfumes because I have few Afnan myself, but this one they just took it to another level. Beautiful. Got a little bit of musky undertone to it as well, and also the floral aspect. I'm not sure what kind of floral at the moment. It's a little bit, because there are so many big players here, the florals are way in the background, but it can detect something soft in the background. Maybe it's violet, maybe it's lavender, something aromatic, but it's not a huge player. It's in the background, way in the background. So right now it's not a big player, but I can smell it, something like lavender or violet leaf. But again, adding another aspect, another dimension to this beautiful rounded, very very complex fragrance. Amazing. Beautiful. Wow wow wow. It's a little bit medicinal as well. I get a little bit of a hint of medicinal. Maybe it's a combination of the spices and the aromaticness and the oud and the resins and everything together, and also the smoky leather. So it giving it that hint of medicinal, little bit herbal, and also I get something like what's the name? Yeah, one sec. Yeah, it's like a burnt, not burnt sugar, maybe between burnt sugar and burnt caramel, but again it's not a big player at the moment. It's in the background, very very faint, but I can smell something burning sugar or burning caramel smell as well. So overall it's done superbly well. I am loving it. This is up my alley. I'm a middle-aged man, I'm a Middle Eastern man myself, and this is what I love in Middle Eastern perfumery. Everything I love in Middle Eastern perfumery is in here. So for me this is beauty in a bottle. And this is for first impression, first sniff. Obviously in the next video I'll let you know the longevity, the development, things like that. But first sniff, first impression, very very impressive, very good quality. The perfumery is amazing, it's very balanced. Every note in here is just done to perfection, nothing out of place, nothing shouting, nothing too much, nothing too little. It's just Mamma Mia, gorgeous in a bottle. But big but, and that is not for everybody, because this is true Oriental. It's very dense, it's very heavy, it's very pungent, and you need to like these kind of fragrances to enjoy it. So I would say definitely on the mature side, definitely for people who've been around perfumes and fragrances for quite a while, for a long time. And also you need to like this genre of perfumery, which is Middle Eastern, Oriental, Arabic to some extent. And but overall it's done in a way, it's quite in a universal as well. It's not too much that it puts you, like it's not too much oud in here to give you that barnyard or funky or anything like that. So it's, everything is done to moderation and good balance in here. So but for me overall this is a perfection in a bottle. Beauty, beauty. So in the next video I'll let you know. Some people say it reminds him of Oud for Greatness. Maybe to some extent. I don't, I mean, yes, in that genre, in that category, but it's not a copy of it per se. Because that one is a little bit different from this one. That one is the leather is much more pronounced. Here the leather is in the background, okay? So, but I'll let you know in the next video how close they are, if they are in close. But yeah, in the same category, same genre, but I don't think it's 100% copy or clone of that, okay? But better, because Oud for Greatness, although I like it, but I'm not crazy about it. This one I like more than that because it's closer to my taste anyway. I think it's better done with better perfumery in here. Okay guys, thank you very much as always joining me. If you haven't, if you know, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like to purchase one of my own fragrances that are out of this world, they are super artistic, ultra beast mode, 100% natural, and amazing value for money, but you need to live in United Kingdom in order to purchase them. I leave them in the links. If you like what I do, don't forget to hit those buttons to support me in this endeavor. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye bye bye.